back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. In today's video we are going to see a comparison video about that is my personal experience with these two products, which is Biotic Bio Neem Purifying Neem Face Wash as well as this Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, this is the 150 ml package of Biotic. You can get this on 50 ml as well as 100 ml. I have bought this 150 ml because I feel this product, you know, when you buy when the quantity is larger, the price is lesser. So that is the only reason I bought it. Firstly, then that too, I like this product. This was the first face wash I have ever used from Biotic. So this is the second or third packaging of Biotic neem face wash especially, and the 50 grams pack of Biotic neem face wash costs 65 rupees, and obviously this is a 50 ml package of neem face wash which also costs 65 rupees. You could check the price there in internet. You could see the MRP as 65. As for now, I don't have that package with me. I'm just saying the price alone. And both are neem face washes representing the, you know, the neem logo on their tube packaging. Behind the tube they have given the, you know, the method to use it and ingredients. The main ingredients in Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash is, yeah, I found it finally, Nimba. Nimba means neem, okay? Major ingredient is neem, and Haridra. Haridra means turmeric, okay? Turmeric. So these both are highly helpful in preventing pimples. So here it has more ingredients like ashwagandha, collagen, rhizome, neem bark, Rita fruit, madhu, coconut oil and purified water. So here in Biotic neem face wash they have given a complete list of ingredients, whereas they don't like give a complete list of ingredients in Himalayas. You know, only with the neem and turmeric you cannot make a face wash, I guess. So here they have given the Rita fruit for the lathering purpose, water and things they have given here also. So I think on the basis of ingredients Himalaya is lagging. And the color, obviously you could see from the tube itself, both are you know, green in color. The consistency also is perfect in both the face washes. So this is Biotic Bio Neem's face wash, and now Himalaya. So this is Himalaya, okay? So this is Biotic. You could see, you know, I have applied more and I have applied less. That is the difference, okay? But in the texture and color both are similar, and in the fragrance I prefer Biotic over neem because that is not neem, Himalaya, because Biotic fragrance is quite mild, okay? It is tolerable, but whereas in Himalayas, you know, the face wash, the fragrance is quite strong, which the most sensitive skins cannot take over. So I think Biotic is good at fragrance also. And the consistency, everything I told, both are same, including the price and everything. So coming to the point, this is a pimple clear face wash. Both are pimple clear face washes. So when I used, you know, I'm saying this particularly on my skin, when I used this neem Himalaya's neem purifying face wash, I found that it has nothing to do with pimples on my skin. Underline, on my skin it does nothing. Whereas, you know, in Biotic also, when I have active acne, I found it took around a week or so to like really reduce this. But when I had acne and used Himalaya neem face wash, I felt that the acne is multiplying. But whereas in Biotic it was not multiplying, but it took some time for me to actually reduce it. And when I don't have acne, you know, there will be period when I don't have active acne. So at that time when I use this, you know, this actually prevents my skin from creating new acne. So what I'm trying to say is, it prevents acne, but it takes time. Once your acne is prevented, this face wash ensures that the acne doesn't come again, okay? So whereas in Himalaya neem face wash, what I felt is, I don't know whether this product suits my skin or not. Of course this does not suit my skin. This product led me to more rashes and more acne, and multiplying acne when I had, you know, already existing acne. So I found this product a bit not suiting my skin. I have extraordinary dry skin and I get pimple only, you know, rarely, because due to wearing the mask, I get maskne nowadays more frequently, or else I don't get acne that much, except during those days in the month. And when I have a long day, when I didn't wash my face for around 12 hours or so, I get acne due to pollution or things, or else I don't get acne at all. Okay, because my skin does not produce excess oil, I don't get acne. So when I tried this product actually didn't suit me. So that was the only concern from Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. I found that there are many YouTube channels, and even in the Amazon or Flipkart website itself, they have given good review for this Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. Only on seeing the reviews only I bought this, and now I'm highly disappointed that this product doesn't suit me. Okay, I don't know if how much it suits any other skin type, but it doesn't suit my skin. So I prefer Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash over Biotic Neem Purifying Face Wash. Not because of the price, not because of the fragrance, not because of the texture, only because of the the thing which it actually claims to do. Only for that reason I switched to Biotic instead of Himalaya. So you can also comment down if you have used Himalaya or Biotic and your experience. You can share your own experiences in the comment section down, and I'll be back washing my hands. So yeah, like I'm not saying that this product is not worth it, but one of my friends who has oily skin, for her this product actually worked really good, but for my skin this does not work. So what I'm trying to say is they have given that it suits all skin types, but that point is wrong. Actually, it does not suit specific skin types. And whereas in Biotic, whoever have tried this product has told me that they are even the oily skin types as well as this dry skin types as me, they have told that this product, like, it works as a magic for them. And adding to that, this product, on washing your face, it leaves your skin moisturized, soft and supple. But this Himalaya face wash, it leaves my skin so dry. It leaves my skin literally dry, so that I have to top it up with moisturizer. Of course, the dryness means that it has absorbed many impurities and excess oil from my skin, but it should not trip off the natural oils from my skin. So that is also one important point I have to share it with you. And overall, this is my experience with both the products, and I choose Biotic over Himalayas. So yeah, I think I have covered whatever I know about this product. Okay, both lathers well, both fragrance is good, both the price is fair, and everything is okay. But only thing I found like a bit thing is, this does not suit my skin. So that is why I have to switch the product. I stopped immediately on feeling that the product caused acne on my skin. I just stopped using it immediately and switched to other products. So yeah, I'm finishing my video with this. And if you like this video, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends whoever are in confusion between choosing products, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Only then you will get videos of mine whenever I post it. And if you have any doubts or any concerns, like, I have this product, I have used this product, can I use this for my skin, anything, you can share it down in the comment section. I feel happy to reply you. So we'll all meet in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Ta-da.